Hi everyone, Michael Williamson here from TechGrowth Insights, and in today's video I want to dive deep into how technology and telecoms companies can harness the potential of voice of customer research to foster stronger connections with their customers, elevate satisfaction, and ultimately drive a customer-centric culture that sets them apart from the competition. But first, let's define what do we mean by voice of customer research. Well, simply put, it's the process of collecting data and feedback from your customers to understand how they feel about your products, services, and business as a whole. This can be done through traditional methods like surveys, as well as modern tactics such as social listening, analysing website behaviour, and live chat interactions. And the insights gained from voice of customer are invaluable. They reveal detailed information about your customers' requirements and also their expectations, which allows you to identify pain points, uncover opportunities for innovation, and make data-driven decisions that align with your customers' needs. However, collecting this information is just the first step. To truly drive growth, you need to translate these insights into action. And this is where many companies fall short. In fact, according to research, 70% of businesses don't link their customer experience to financial metrics. So don't be one of them. So how can you effectively use voice of customer research to drive growth? Well, let's explore 4 key areas. The first is close the loop. Respond to customer feedback and take relevant action. It's crucial. This is important for decreasing customer churn, and research shows that customers who don't close the loop, or companies that don't close the loop, increase their churn by at least 2.1% year over year. By promptly addressing customer concerns and showing that their feedback matters, you can turn detractors into promoters and foster long-term loyalty. Secondly, is to reduce churn. Voice of customer research can help you identify the specific reasons why customers churn, as well as what causes them to stick around. Armed with this knowledge, you can take proactive steps to improve customer satisfaction and minimize churn. SingleHop, which is an IT hosting company, they use voice of customer research to achieve a remarkable 50% increase in customer retention over 2 years. Thirdly, product development. By understanding your customers' expectations and pain points, you can drive product innovation that truly resonates with your target audience. Voice of customer research allows you to cut through the noise and guesswork by interacting directly with your customers. It not only helps you collect knowledge for product innovation, but it also enables you to develop relationships with a larger number of customers. And then fourthly, increase upsells and cross-sells. Research by Gartner found that voice of customer research can increase the success rates of upselling and cross-selling by between 15 and 20%, demonstrating its potential to drive top-line revenue. And by identifying relevant opportunities and understanding what you can sell and to whom, you can maximize the value of your existing customer base. So now let's look at some success stories of B2B technology and telecoms companies that have harnessed the power of voice of the customer research. The first is SuperOffice. SuperOffice is a leading European supplier of CRMs. They use voice of customer research to structure feedback, set up routines to close the loop with customers, and also save distractors. And by focusing on high engagement accounts, they fostered deeper relationships and received a steady stream of feedback to improve their customer experience. The next is HubSpot. HubSpot is a leading CRM and marketing automation platform, and they use voice of customer research to inform product development and also prioritize features based on customer needs. They actively seek feedback through various channels, incorporate it into their roadmap, ensuring that their products continuously evolve to meet the changing demands of their customers. The next is Salesforce. Salesforce is the global leader in CRM, and they have a robust voice of customer program that includes surveys, user groups, and also customer advisory boards. They use these insights to drive product innovation, improve customer support, and shape their overall strategy. And by putting the customer at the center of everything they do, Salesforce has built a loyal customer base and maintained its position as a market leader. But to get the most out of voice of customer research, it's essential to have a structured approach. And at TechGrowth Insights, we recommend a 5-step methodology. The first is define your objectives and your target audience. The second is choose the right data collection methods. The third is analyze and interpret the data. The fourth is translate insights into actionable strategies. And the fifth is to measure and iterate based on results. And by following this framework and committing to a customer-centric approach, you can unlock the full potential of customer voice and drive sustainable growth for your technology or telecoms company. So until the next time, keep putting your customers first and watch your business thrive. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All the best and God bless. Bye-bye.